How to repost your own videos on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can repost your own videos on TikTok. For that, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download this. Once you open the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now, normally, if you want to repost a video, you tap on the share icon. Then here you have the repost option. Simply tap on the repost option and the video will be reposted. However, when you head over to your profile and you want to repost one of your own videos, let's see if that option is available. So for example, I have selected this video. Tap on the three dots over here. As you can see, there are different options here, but the repost option is simply not available. So in this case, what you can do is tap on the duet option. Then you can duet on this video and repost this video again on your feed. If you don't want to do it, there is another thing you can do as well. Tap on these three dots, then tap on the save video option. Once you tap on the save option, this video will be downloaded to your device. Then you can tap on the plus icon, then select the video that you downloaded. Tap on the next option, then tap on next again, and now tap on post. And as you can see, you have added that video again, and these are some workarounds on how you can repost your own videos on TikTok. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.